So in this scenario, let's pretend that you've done your homework and you figured out that that house is going to need $20,000 in repairs to get it to $100,000 after repaired value. Okay? So here's some more simple math. If the total amount that they're going to loan you is $70,000, 70% of the $100,000 after repaired value, and it needs $20,000 in repairs, guess what? You got to take that out of that total amount funded of $70,000. So now you're down to $50,000 on that $100,000 house that needs $20,000 in repairs. Well, Mark, that means I can pay $50,000 for it and I'm all good. Au contraire. No.